Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into customizing ClickUp notifications for different project types. This is your complete 2025 guide, so let's get started. First things first, log into ClickUp and head over to your dashboard. Now, why is this important? Well, the dashboard is essentially mission control for all your projects, so it's the best place to manage your notifications. Next up, navigate to the Settings icon, usually found on the left sidebar. From here, select Notifications. Now, this is the hub where you can control how and when you're alerted about updates in your projects, so it's a crucial place to know. Then, you'll see a list of your different project types. Each one will have a Customize button next to it. Click on that, and you'll be able to adjust the notifications for that specific project. This helps us because, well, not all projects are created equal, right? Some may require more frequent updates, while others, not so much. This way, you're in control of how much information you're getting and from where. Now, you can customize exactly what kind of notifications you want to receive for each project type. You can choose to be notified about all updates, or maybe just the critical ones. You can also select how you want to receive these notifications, via email, in-app, or both. The reason we do this is to tailor the notifications to our needs, making sure we're not overwhelmed with information, but also not missing out on anything crucial. Lastly, don't forget to hit Save Changes. This step ensures all your customization efforts don't go to waste. It might seem obvious, but it's easy to forget in the excitement of all this customization. So, there you have it. A quick and easy way to customize ClickUp notifications for different project types. Remember, the key is to adjust your notifications so that they work for you, not against you. This way, you'll stay updated without getting swamped. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.